Basically, there are several ways of accessing the insert function dialog box. First of all, we can use the insert menu and select the function option. I'm talking about the Excel 97 2003 version, but if you go beyond this, like 2007 or 2010 or 2013 version, you can find it in a formula bar, formula, and then in functions options, insert functions. Apart from this, you can directly use the Shift F3, Shift plus F3, and if you are using in a laptop, you can use Shift function F3, and directly, if you want directly, actually, you can also click the insert function icon, which is just on the formula bar, just next to the address bar. Okay. The fourth one is also there, that you can also apply the formula in a single cell by equal to sign or by plus sign. So what basically the function wizard hold? Actually, the function wizard is a dialog box provided by Microsoft, and it holds various kinds of information, like what information you want to search or what functions you want to search. That is, I have represented as A, and from which category it belongs to. It is really from the financial part, or from the some part, or from the logical part. I can show you various kinds of categories what is available, that it is financial or date and time, or math and tricks and statistical and lookup and references, database, text part, or logical, or you want just information, or from the engineering or cubicle part. So all kinds of categories are there, what you are seeing on the these formula tabs, like financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup process, maths and tricks, and more. So these are basically categories what you have in the formula ribbon. See, on the first part it is showing the insert function, and after that the following categories are there. It is showing the function library, and the function library is available in these categories. Okay. So suppose I have to use the most recently used, like sum and all the things, you can use the that functions. Okay. It gives the narration also, that what sum does. It adds all the numbers in the range of cells. Okay, we have to pass the sum and then number 1, number 2, number 3, followed by this. So by this way, we can use the for insert function dialog box. Basically, the A part, where I have mentioned the A, it is type of brief description of what you want to do. Then click on go if you prefer, and if you know the name of the functions that I have discussed earlier, you can choose it from the drop down list and select your appropriate category. If you are not sure which category your function is in, you can also use the select all and make a scrolling of your functions quicker when you are in the all category. Okay, click somewhere in the select functions area of the dialog box, and you just have to type first 2 or 3 letters name very quickly, and you will get the result. Like if I have to search the VLOOKUP and I don't know which category it holds, then I will apply it to the all category, and I will type very quickly VLOOKUP, VL. If I type it slowly, like V after that L, it goes somewhere else. So to find the appropriate functions, you have to type very quickly. We remember VLOOKUP. Okay, or sum, or standard deviation, see, or date and time, date. Okay, and time. So I have to use very quickly to find the function. Okay, or to select the function. When I have got these functions, you can use OK button to get the detail of that function or to use that function where you want to use actually where you want to use. Okay, see, I am also able to scroll it here and there as and when required. Okay, so that I can see the entire data sheets. If it is currently making long, you can also use the number argument and see that you can pass the entire range. It is not bothering us for making changes. Okay, when I have passed the range, I have again clicked on that part and it gives the details. See, most important thing that you can also see the results here. First of all, it describes what this functions does. It adds all the numbers in a range of some, and it is giving the result actually. 16848 is our result based on this selection. Okay, and after that you have to use OK and it gives you the result. But if you want that what and how it can be used, how smoothly, and what other ways to use the sum functions, you can also use the examples. See, here is help on this function. Okay, help on this function. That means it will bring some kind of window where you will find some examples related to the sum functions and how to use. See, I can show you. See here, it is showing sum A2 to A10, sum A2 A10, comma C2 C10. Means you can also use both the ranges. See, I can also show, like if I have two different ranges, first one is there and second one is there, and I want a sum of both these ranges, then I will use the sum function, and first of all I will pass this range, after that I will pass this range. Okay, see, and it gives us the entire result. Okay, so see how this help function does. It gives us the direction of how we can use these functions. It also given the quick practices, best practices, okay, and the AutoSum wizard, various kinds of some functions you can use. It is given very in detail kind of thing. So basically that the select functions wizard gives you a lot of information. Okay, see, here you can get the numbers and you get the results, you get the various kinds of arguments, what kind of argument you have to pass. You have to pass the numbers only, you can't pass the text, and such kind of information, important information you can get with the help of functions argument. Basically it describes the properties actually itself. So